We have some raw tilapia here. Yep. We'll see a little blood in there. But it's okay. Nice and nice. Then if he's chopping the onion in. I love the smell of onion. Then he's cutting the onion with a knife. See, that's why I like when my uncle cooks. You know how to cook it right.
Mm-hmm. Very well.
So we're going to have a new YouTube channel called. And check out our other channel, Atto's Kitchen. But we really need to announce that.
It's got hot. Smoked fish. Blended tomatoes and onion and pepper. Pepper soup.
Lite Soup.
With the rice, clean the rice, rinse it several times before you put it on the fire. Local brown rice.
What's about? Whoa! Two.
Come look at it, Gwinnett. Come look at it.
Can I?
We're gonna make rice ball.
Get back, go. Is the pot hot?
It's not. Yeah, it's not.
Use it. You want to use it? So you want to drop it?
Very hot as well.
Ooh. Lite Soup. Hey. Taste it.
Sweet.
Mm.
You want to check it?
Very quick. It's nice. This stuff seems like it takes forever to cook.
Is that?
I thought this takes forever to cook. It's so quick.
It's very quick. Everything we prepare is quick.
Ah.
Very, very quick. You just, the only thing, but if it is in the village, now that you're going to put fire inside the local pot, and that makes it
Take a
a
longer
long time. But if you have things like this, there is a blender.
Technology. Now they grinding and stuff. You cut down on some time. Oh wow. Oh, the pepper is sweet. It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
It's rice. It's cooking. You got to turn it down some.
No, it's supposed to be done first. And the rice is supposed to be cooked first.
No, it's not cooked yet, so I'm trying to add water.
Very hot.
Yeah, so you need to add some more water.
Some water.
And it's expensive because your rice is hard.
We need one of the cover again to cover this one. A lot of food.
Oh, 1
It's not the heat, huh? It's so hot.
You said hot, I said hot.
Nice food.
It's too hot to touch.
No, it's very.
You got to go through all that to.
That's the process they go through.
Oh, that is so hard on you. You should pay them extra.
No, you put some. You put some small water here.
Uh-huh.
After you put it, then you put it on it. You are done. But when I finish, you say it.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
The things we do to feed the belly.
Mm-hmm. But you can see difference.
Mm-hmm.
That one they are selling. So selling is the. That's why